Welcome to Eagle Eye Military.
I will demand them.
And demonstrate by my own example.
And demonstrate by my own example.
The highest standards of.
The highest standards of.
Personal conduct.
Personal conduct.
Senior drill instructor, take charge of these recruits and train them to become United States Marines.
Aye, sir. Sit up straight and look at me. My name is Staff Sergeant Croa, and I am your senior drill instructor, and strives constantly to be the best in everything she does. Discipline and spirit are the hallmarks of a Marine, even after some of you have given up on yourself. Starting now, you will treat me and all other Marines with the highest respect, with firmness, fairness, dignity, and compassion. Physical or verbal abuse by any Marine or recruit will not be tolerated. If anyone should abuse or mistreat you, I expect you to report such incidents immediately to me. My drill instructors and I will be with you every day, everywhere you go. I have told you what my drill instructors and I will do. From you, we demand the following. You must give 100% of yourself at all times. Obey all orders, quickly, willingly, and without question. Ready, move, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I will build them into
Smartly disciplined.
Smartly disciplined.
Physically fit.
Physically fit.
Basically trained Marine.
Basically trained Marines.
Thoroughly indoctrinated.
Thoroughly indoctrinated.
In love of
The highest standards of
personal conduct.
Personal conduct.
Morality.
Morality.
And professional skill.
And professional skill.
Crew will not be tolerated. If someone were to abuse and mistreat you, I expect you to report such incidents to me. Now that I've told you, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to tell you till you're going to go back to your original spot on 9.
Between 2018, all process delivery training. Count on rank 52, count on hand 62. There are 56 and 16 people service rifles, all on subject security. Good morning, thank you, Karen. Yes, sir.
Recruits, my name is Captain Snowdy.
These recruits are entrusted with my care.
These recruits are entrusted with my care.
I will train them to the best of my ability.
I will try to
Be completely honest in everything that you do. A Marine never lies or cheats. Respect the rights and properties of all others. A Marine never steals. You must work hard to strengthen your body, your spirit, and your mind. Be proud of yourselves and that uniform you now wear. Above all else, never quit or give up, for we offer you the challenge of recruit training and the opportunity to earn the title. United States, move!